Well, let's go down this toolbar to the Google Drive. Now, Google Drive could just about take an entire course to explain all the things you can do with Google Drive. If you've been in my class at all, you know what I do with them. I use them in every class. And what it really is, to me, it's the answer to collaboration and working together, especially the technology. And I think it's one of the answers you'll have when you get into your classrooms and the students all have computers, how to work with them, and this is it's one of the answers. So this is the beginning, and I'm sure you've all heard of the Google Drive, the Google Docs, but this is where it starts. Well, first of all, let me tell you, these are the things that it handles. You can create them from scratch. Here, when it goes create, it can be a document, which is similar to a Word document, or a presentation, which is similar to PowerPoint, spreadsheet, which is similar to Excel, and then form is kind of an in-between one. Then we'll spend some time on form, and then this one's kind of interesting as just drawing. And then it says more apps, connect to different things. You can bring other things in here also. You can literally store things in here. And I was looking through this one day, and I could spend hours on here, but we're going to start with these here. So the first one I'm going to do, the other thing that you can do, not only create from scratch, you can upload a number of Microsoft things in here and work from there. So let me just show you some of the things I do. Here's my attendance sheet for my face-to-face class. Every day students come in here and they have to mark their own attendance that they're here. And this is how I keep track of attendance in my face-to-face classes. And I've shared this with them in real time. I literally can watch them mark this as they mark it. And that's what's so amazing about Google Docs or the Google Drive, is it's in real time. It's synced across wherever over the World Wide Web in real time. The other thing I like to do continuously is put up a presentation like this and assign every student a topic, and then literally let them build their topics right here in real time with each other, and then we can have one presentation or one thing to show from it. And so there's just numbers and numbers of things, and you can work personally. One of the things I'm going to do is ask you to do some of this. So here's the first one on Google Drive, is this form here. I'm going to share this with you so you all get a copy, and I'll be adding stuff to it. I'll be adding stuff to this for you to do. So this is some of the stuff you've done, and if you've done this, two things. One, you like a Hangout. If you've done the Hangout, you put your X here, but you also insert a comment. Insert a comment and tell me when you did that, or tell me something about each one of these. I expect a comment on each one. Group Hangout or something. If you were one of those in the group Hangout, okay, this is what you're doing, and so I should see a bunch of these with comments on them like this. And what I'll do is then I'll check them off. I'll put checks here like this. Taking these out, and your comment is still here. All I gotta do is run my cursor over it like that, and it's still there. But you'll insert comments in another communication tool. Okay. And so I'm going to share, and this is how share works. And this is very important. Now this is how you do it, and this is very important. This is how you share. This button up here, share, you hit it like this, and now you add me here. This is how you would share, but whoever's name, and I have you guys here, so I'm going to say this, bed 465, and there you are. And now I simply say share, and you guys all show up here. Okay, Molly should have, all those should be pictures in here. All right, and each of you can edit it, and I tell it done, and there it goes. Now, what you'll do, and this is very important too, because if you mess this up, we'll have a mess. You come to File, you say make a copy, you come over here and you take this copy out and you put your name here. Okay. And now you have it, your own copy, and now you share it back with me. You put my name in here and you share it with me, and now I can watch you add stuff to it because I'll have copy of this. Okay, and you can do all kinds of personalized stuff with this, and this is just the beginning of the drive, and I will be adding stuff on here, so I will tune you in and you can add it with me as we go through this. Okay, that's the Google Drive. This is the first of many.